Good evening, people of St. Mary. Pageant meant history, and history are made by the people. So tonight, ladies, gentlemen, in between, please help me be part of a successful history. Starting from you, the 8 years old summer, who hails from the gentle city of Santa Rosa City, Laguna. Currently studying at SCI College, Santa Rosa, behold, bewitched and mystified by your one and only Joseph, mamalangit man, mapalumpa man, at mapakagandang man. Ang babaeng masarapang ikaw sa inuman, Miss Anne. Here it is. Bago ko po sa aking pagdating ko, ngayon po kayo na pinay po ba kayo? Kasi para